Now this question is from the topic pseudo force. Question number 4 in our NEET practice sheet. A block of mass m is moving on a wedge with the acceleration a0. The wedge is moving with acceleration a1. The observer is situated on the wedge. The magnitude of pseudo force on the block is ma0, ma1, m under root of a0 square plus a1 square, m a1 plus a0 upon 2. Fine. So these are the options given in the question. Okay, so what is pseudo force? You should first know the concept of pseudo force. So I'll brief the concept of pseudo force here. When there is an object, or there is a, let us consider there is a trolley moving with acceleration a in this direction, and if there is a pendulum in this trolley, then obviously this pendulum will incline at some angle and it will rest at this particular position. So if we sit in this trolley, so we are in this frame of reference, then this pendulum experiences a force in this direction which is not real force, it is pseudo force, and this pseudo force is given by mass of this object into acceleration of the frame. You have to remember this formula. Pseudo force is mass of the object into acceleration of the frame. So when objects or observers are in non-inertial frame of reference, in non-inertial frames, the objects experience pseudo force. For example, if you are sitting in a bus and suddenly the bus driver applies brake and we tend to move forward, this is due to the pseudo force acting on us. Fine. So that pseudo force in that case, when we are in the bus, is equal to the retardation of bus, which is acceleration of the frame of reference, into our mass. Fine. So the force acting on us at that time will be our mass into the acceleration of the bus. Now in our question, a block of mass m is moving on a wedge with acceleration a0. So let us draw the diagram first. This is a wedge and a block of mass m is moving on a wedge with acceleration a0. So acceleration of this block is a0. The wedge is moving with acceleration a1. This wedge is also moving with acceleration a1. We have not given the direction. I am assuming this direction to be the direction of accelerations. The observer is situated on the wedge. So we are here on this wedge and we are observing this motion. Fine. So we are on this frame which is moving. So we are in this non-inertial frame of reference right now. Fine. So the magnitude of pseudo force on the block. So we have to find the pseudo force on block. What is the formula for pseudo force? Mass of the block multiplied by acceleration of the frame of reference. We are right now in this frame of reference, which is this wedge itself. So acceleration of frame of reference is a1. So m a1 is the pseudo force. So answer is option B.